You see, if you just get that result and you're suffering terribly, it's not really purification, it's experience. Because you're going to generate all kinds of negative thoughts back to increase it. When you purify is when you get something and it happens and you accept it, then it's purified. You understand it. If you don't understand it and you simply get it and you experience it and you have all kinds of evil thoughts, and you retaliate back or in any way, shape, or form, then you're not purifying. You're increasing. That's one. Two, when that happens to you, do you end up on the right track or the wrong track? When you get abused from your parents, you get abused from people, you've had a hard life, and you end up benefiting people, then that has been purification. If you had a hard life and you've been abused, you end up abusing other people. It wasn't purification. It's an increase. It's a situational, environmental, karmic situation that makes you suffer more because you've created the cause for that. So then you do it more to other people, you do more to other people. So you have to look at the result to know and classify what that is and what you're experiencing and how you feel. So if you're getting that abuse and you have negative thoughts back to them, then it's not purification. If you have not negative thoughts and you understand that maybe they were abused, maybe they're having problems, and you forgive them, but you try to stop it the best you can, and you forgive them, that's purification. And then if from that negative experience in your life, from the most cherished people, and they hurt you so much, and you can still return love and kindness to other people, instead of continuing that and feeling sorry for yourself and using that as an excuse to fail in life, then it becomes purification. But if you fail in life and use that as a lame excuse, and you use that as a cause to harm other people, then it's not purification. It's receiving results. Purification indicates an end. There are people who are insane, they experience things on their own and it's not real, but they experience it and they suffer just as much as the person really experiencing it. So you don't need an outer cause. What you need is a condition and a cause. Outer or inner doesn't matter. Suffering is suffering. Suffering is suffering. But if we do intense practice, that kind of suffering can manifest in dreams where we feel and experience everything as if it's real and it's really horrible, and it becomes purified. Why? Because we did practice so well that actual action doesn't need to manifest in the real. It manifests to experience something in your mind that you still have some kind of suffering, but it has no ultimate results. It can happen. I know some monks who experience that, who do intensive prostration. When they do intensive prostration practice, it purifies the karma very much, especially physical karma. And they receive dreams of being killed or dying or vicious diseases or whatever. And they really are scared. They're jumping and scary. And it recurs every day. All of a sudden, when they finish the retreat, the dreams stop. Completely stop. So the karma comes, how it comes in intensity is what you do about it. What you do about it. Okay?